Hey guys, today let's learn how to earn money on YouTube by reposting videos. So if you guys want to go ahead and earn money on the YouTube application just by reposting your own videos or videos that have been posted already, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so if you want to go ahead and start reposting your own videos on YouTube, well, you do need to be aware that you have a specific issue about copyright with this. So to avoid the copyright issues, of course, you do need to use your own sound, and you need to only use just a small 30-second part of a specific video in your own video. So to get a general idea of what you guys would like to post, of course, you need to go ahead and scroll through the YouTube Shorts section of YouTube and get the specific viral post that you guys want to go ahead and post on your own YouTube channel, and basically get a general idea of what you guys could actually talk about. Now, the last thing that we could also do is, once we've already repurposed content on there, you could also utilize some editing softwares like CapCut if you would like to use this to edit your videos and add your voiceovers, specific commentary on the specific video that you have downloaded. And then the last thing we could also do is to join the YouTube Reels program. So YouTube does have a specific program that it offers to its users for them to, well, of course, use its YouTube resources and those extra monetization features. Now, that is all for this video, and that is just a general idea of what you guys can do to earn money on YouTube by reposting videos. So please like this video if you learned something, and subscribe as well if you did. I'll see you guys on the next one, so take care.